Das ist nicht normal. Gott, verdammt du! Das geht!
Da ist die Tiefgarage. Minus ein Töpf.
Switzerland, July 25th. Central Switzerland has been hardly hit by hailstorms, heavy rain and flash floods. One of the communities in the canton of Lucerne that was particularly hard hit by the storms is Wolhusen. At the Hotel Bad Wolhusen, the amount of water washed away cars. The railway line was also briefly interrupted due to a landslide. A hail cell moved on Sunday afternoon from the Napf area, just north of Lucerne, and then reached the canton of Schwyz. Strom will probably hit the Walensee region and parts of eastern Switzerland. A strong thunderstorm cell has hit central Switzerland. It has caused traffic problems on railways and roads. The canton of Zug was also hit by the storms. The strong thunderstorm would also have brought hail showers with it, according to the canton police. Within a short time, a number of cellars, underground garages and streets in the municipalities of Risch, Zug, Walchwil, Unterägeri and Oberägeri were underwater. Some stretches of the road have been temporarily closed due to the large amounts of water. The Operations Control Center had received a total of around 140 reports.
Schatz! Heilige Scheiße! Danke, Schatz!
Ja.
Oh.
Taxi, die nein, wir jetzt nicht rein.
Nein! Schatz, nimm sie rein!
Ach du Scheiße.